सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद।
7th Safarul Muzaffar, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Bahauddin Zakaria Multani, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Bahauddin Zakaria Multani, Quraishi Asadi Hashimi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born in 565 Hijri, near Multan, in Kahror Paka Lodra, Punjab, Pakistan. He became an orphan while still very young. He gained further education and training under the guardianship of his uncle, Hazrat Sheikh Ahmad Ghaus Sahib. He visited the court of his spiritual guide, Hazrat Shahabuddin Suharwardi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, in Baghdad. He completed all the steps and levels of mysticism and gained the pure wealth of auspiciousness, success and fortune of both worlds. He reached Madinatul Awliya, Multan, Punjab, Pakistan, upon the instruction of his sheikh, that is his spiritual guide. After the demise of his sheikh, he was appointed at the blessed office of Ghuthiyat. Hazrat Bahauddin Zakaria Multani, Quraishi Asadi Hashimi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, passed away at the age of 100 on the 7th of Safarul Muzaffar in 665 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Madinatul Awliya, Multan, Punjab, Pakistan. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।